My name is Bradford Pazant, and this is my Capstone original contribution titled Teach Between the Lines, AI-Powered History Tutor. This project is a mini prototype level intelligent tutoring system designed to support all levels of U.S. history, from AP U.S. history to general U.S. History 1 students. It takes them through a personalized practice using multiple choice and short answer questions. The goal of this tool is to demonstrate how teachers can leverage free platforms like Replit to build equitable, ethical, and accessible AI-enhanced learning systems without requiring paid AI subscriptions. The tutor is aligned to Bloom's taxonomy from remember to create and to AP U.S. history reasoning skills, including causation, comparison, continuity and change, and source analysis. Before students can access the tool, they must agree to an AI integrity pledge. This ensures ethical technology use and academic honesty, which reflects both the American College of Education's standards and my personal commitment to responsible AI practice in schools. I will demonstrate the tool now. Once I click continue, we come to the landing page, and now the tutor begins. I will answer the multiple choice questions, there's 5, and one short answer example so you can see the feedback system. I will answer some of the short answer wrong and some correct. There then is a reflection question at the end. They have the opportunity to try again. Now I'm in the short answer. I'm going to answer very short, very briefly, just so you can see how this runs. So I'm not going to answer it all the way. I'm just going to submit so you can see the response, the feedback. It also gives a model response. Student also will receive the key concepts to include. They have the opportunity to also try again. We'll go back. At the end, the program provides a score and a teacher-style summary showing performance aligned to Bloom's levels and APUSH skills categories. This prototype applies TPACK, active learning, and transformational teaching principles from my ACE coursework. It represents a step forward, accessible, AI-augmented teaching tools that support diverse learning needs, foster independence, and respect academic integrity. Thank you for reviewing my project.